This question, we have a graph, so the first thing we're going to do is our oizerga. The origin is here, 0, 0. The y-axis is force in normal units. X-axis is time in normal units. So any questions about force and time, we would read off the graph. The slope is delta F over delta T, which is the rate of change in force. And the area is F times delta T, which is the impulse. So they have the magnitude of the force, function of time. Answer the following questions for information in the diagram above. The increasing momentum of the object between t0 and t4 seconds is most nearly. So we want the increase in momentum. Well, momentum isn't one of the choices we have here. But we do have our four-way equivalence, which says the change in momentum, delta P, is m delta v. We also know that the definition of impulse is the average force times the change in time. The impulse imparted by one body on another brings about a change in momentum. So we have our four-way equivalence. These four become equal to each other mathematically. So we want the increase in momentum. Well, the increase in momentum, the change in momentum, is going to be the impulse, J, and the impulse is the area. So we are looking for the area between 0 and 4 seconds. Now, if we look at that a little more closely, we see, okay, we could draw a curve, but really it's more likely a straight line. And so now we have this trapezoidal shape. And we could figure out the area of that a couple different ways. We could find the area of that rectangle and the area of this triangle. So this is a 5 by 4, so this is 20. And we have 5 by 20 is 100, and half of that is 50. So that would give us excuse me, I made a mistake here. So this is 4. 4 times 20 is 80. Divided by 2 is 40. So 40 plus 20 is 60. So it looks like our answer is 60. We could also find the midpoint here. Between 25 and 5 would be 15. So we could now find the area of this, which would be 4 times 15, which is 60. So you can see there's multiple ways we could find the area and come up with the answer of 60. And answer 60 right there.